This old MDF table had mold damage and most people would have thrown it away. But instead of dumping it, I decided to restore it using epoxy resin, and it turned into something completely new. After washing it, I had to sand it to remove the mold affected layer on top before any epoxy contact as preparation. Then I had to seal it to make sure that the epoxy does not soak when I finally do my pour. Now it's time for the most satisfying part, the full epoxy pour that will completely transform this surface. Starting with sanding it one more time, of course, to allow the new layer of epoxy to bond with the board. Epoxy work involves a lot of sanding. The edges could not be neglected. They had to be sanded equally, including the outline, of which I had to be very creative on this one. I wanted to avoid a situation where the epoxy doesn't bond on the outline, so I decided to sand it by hand, repeating a few times until it is sanded enough. For this pour, I'm mixing my epoxy resin and hardener according to the manufacturer's ratio. Getting the ratio right is important because it determines how well the epoxy cures and how clear the final finish will be. For this first pour, I used color violet for the pigmentation. I used violet, fuchsia, and blue for me to mimic color black because I wanted a black base, but I didn't have it at the time, so I had to be creative on how I achieve the same effect. It wasn't exactly like that, but it was close to it and it did the trick. I started by pouring the epoxy on the edges and allowed it to flow into the outline as well. When I finished with the edges, the epoxy was boiling. I had taken too much time on the edges and it couldn't take it anymore in that small container. Even so, I still proceeded with pouring slowly across the table surface, letting it spread naturally and allowing it to cool down. Because the table has already been sealed, the resin stays on top instead of getting absorbed into the MDF. To help the resin cover the entire table evenly, I gently guide it across the surface. This ensures that every part of the table gets a consistent coat. You can already see the transformation starting to happen. The damaged surface slowly turning into a smooth, glossy finish. What started as a damaged MDF table is now turning into a glossy modern piece that looks completely different from where it began. Once everything is evenly spread and the bubbles are gone, the table is left to cure. If you enjoy restoration and epoxy projects like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.